The collaboration between traditional corporates and startups is very, very important, because this is the possibility where both of them can bring the strengths and their weaknesses to the table. Because startups need customers, they need entry points to the market. And on the other side, the traditional companies need new business models and new technologies. Therefore, I think this is the sweet spot where they can come together.
Yes, the role of sustainability cannot be overestimated, because what we have been doing so far, we've been building the industry and society on a business model where only one thing matters, which is growth and profit. And that is ending. It has ended with COVID. Now it's ending with our deglobalization. Now we're moving to a new world where it's about a different agenda, right? And that is a very, very big shift that we're seeing pretty much across every possible industry coming together in a new motivation as to what we want.
Well, winning an award is always great, of course, and especially from EIT Manufacturing, because our most important use cases are for manufacturing companies, and we are very thankful for the exposure and for the award.